One of the quite useful things on Toolbox is it allows you to differentiate your students' experiences of the site.
Yeah, that's right. We're all different. Some of us are advanced writers. Some of us are still grasping the fundamentals. At Toolbox, we call this the writing ability level.
That's right, and you can set a student's writing ability level above or below their current year level.
To access this feature, select a student's profile and go to their account section.
Once you select Edit, you can alter writing ability level up or down. And this alters the student's experience of Toolbox. For example, if you lowered the writing ability level, then the artificial intelligence will now meet them where they're at, instead of expecting too much of them.
The same goes with their learning journey. They will be offered an easier learning journey, simpler comprehension tasks, activities, and different examples across the site. Only you as a teacher can see the writing ability level. The student cannot see this aspect.
It's a useful feature, as it allows you to differentiate your students' experience of Toolbox, even in the same classroom.
The only thing you need to do is establish in your school who has permission to do this. If a student is in multiple classes, you don't want individual teachers putting their writing ability level up and down at random. So select someone to have this role.
Hey, while we're on the screen, you'll also notice that as a teacher, you can make a student do their initial writing test again on Toolbox. Now that's useful. If someone misses out or wants another go at it, you control it as the teacher.